Okay, so welcome all. Welcome to Financial Freedom. My name is Samir Bapat, and today we are going to learn a secret of price movement. A lot of you are beginners here. Uh, some are intermediate, and some are repeating the program. So, my sincere request is today I am really going to share secret with you. This is the base. This is the fundamental of all stock market price movement, whatever I'm going to share with you. This is the very reason how the indicators are built up. This is how the indicators are built up on the price action. This is how the market is or will be moving. It has been moving for last 400 years. It will be moving for next 400 years. So believe me, this is the secret how the market moves. Please pay attention, try to grasp the complete thing, and then implement it. Go and check and implement it. Second thing, it may look simple, it may appear very simple that इसमें क्या है तो देखते हैं मतलब how correct it is, you might think, but believe me, this will keep repeating for next 50 years. So if you take this today's session seriously and practice it seriously, then you will be able to catch the pulse of market very fast. So let's begin. Please pay attention to whatever I am sharing today, because that is the pulse of the stock market. So let's begin. Okay. So I have already introduced secret of price movement. We are going to study, and we have to remember this statement. We are here to buy reality, what it is today. We are not here to pay for the dreams. We have to stay away from someone who is selling dreams. So that is our agenda. We want to buy reality. That is the complete game in stock market. So I'm assuming that you have gone through the charts, trading view, and more or less everyone understands what is a line chart and a candlestick chart. Can I have yes from all of you if you have gone through the trading view videos and you have understood what is line chart and what is candlestick charts? Yes? Okay, great. Now, second thing is, what do we look for in the charts? Why we are using charts? So in summary, it is very, very important that we are always looking for consolidations, whether it is a short term, long term, ultra long term, in the sense of not the fundamental analysis long term, in the term of technical analysis long term. We are always in the hunt of consolidations. Now, just to give idea first, what is a consolidation? Consolidation is something looks like this. So price, let's say price came down and then sorry, it went up, went down, went up, went down, went up, went down. So for many, many days, the price does not move. It moves up and down at the same location. This is the consolidation. A good short-term trader always is for the watch out of such consolidations. Even if you are in a intraday player or a intraday player, you are looking out for these consolidations for earning in big moves. Big moves. Okay, Mala is saying I'm not audible. Please log in again. Okay. So this is the consolidation. The price will go up and down repeatedly. Now, okay. Now, let's go to the Adani International. Okay. Now, here also you can see my Just hold on. Why the share is paused? Okay. Okay. Now, you see here Adani International. Why I have chosen this Adani International is I got so many requests to when the Adani International fell down that should I buy Adani, should I buy Adani? Uh, I said let it start going up. There is no V-shaped recovery, and everyone was showing FOMO, fear of missing out. That okay, it has gone down so much. Let me buy again. Within no time, it will come up. Sometimes that dream comes true. Most of the time, reality is it will not go up. That is a second thing. First thing is what is consolidation? This is consolidation which is happening in Adani Enterprise. Okay, how many of you can see this consolidation here? This price is not going anywhere. So see from if you even if you see from here to here or from this point, 23rd May till today, the price is moving sideways. Agreed? Yes or no? Yes. So this is a sideways movement. The price is not going anywhere. It's just moving up and down at the same level. This is the consolidation. It is nothing to do with the report because if you go down, even before the report came, from almost September till this place, it was only going up and down. It went down, went up, went down. So it was in consolidation even much before the report came. Report came on somewhere in Jan, but the price did not go up much from September onwards. So September, October, November, December, January, 5 months, this price did not go anywhere. It was in consolidation. Now again, if we come here, this is the consolidation. If you see, it is going up, down, up, down. Here again, in the year somewhere here, June 21 till March 22. It was almost in the same range for 1 year. Correct. So this is what consolidation looks about. So Adani, we took a sensitive stock. Does it happen only in Adani? Let's see. Give me one share. Can someone give me one share? Any one share? Name of any one share? ABFRL. Okay. So let's take ABFRL. Okay. Now, see, now for, okay, this is the stock. Huh. Correct. Now it went down from here, May, June, July, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. It's almost 7 months. Price is in the same range. Correct. It is, let's say roughly it is in the range of box. So I can say, okay, roughly एक range है इसका, right? It is in the range of let's say 190 to 239, around 40 to 50 points range. It is moving up and down. Is this a recent phenomena? Has this never happened in ABFRL before? Not really. See, this is the price movement up and down, then it went up. If you see the price went down here, okay, this is the 2020. Again, if we go, let's say, let's go some 5-6 years ago. Okay, it is not there. It was not listed. Aditya Birla is old, ABFRL. Okay. Okay. Give me one more, another share. Some share which is Britannia. Okay. See, Britannia, I am talking somewhere around 2015 to 16. So from here, almost it is in sideways movement till here, right? Then again, 2014, if you see, it was in sideways movement going here to here. So it's not a new phenomena. It's not the point I'm trying to say here is going sideways uh, for long duration is not a new phenomena. Right now, also it's in going in consolidation, and most likely it is in head and shoulder pattern right now, which we will study later. What is head and shoulder pattern? But it appears to be in head and shoulder pattern right now. We'll see what happens. See here also again the consolidation happening from here July till October. Normally a common investor's faith and patience get tested in 1 year. How many of you have patience if you're buying here a stock and even after 1 year it is at the same level? How many of you will be okay? हाँ ठीक है यार कोई problem नहीं है. After 1 year also it is at the same level. I am very pakka about this stock. This stock is very good. Type yes if you will be very confident, relaxed, and all after 1 year. Okay, ठीक है. I'm okay if it is at the same level. Okay, so Nitesh is saying he is comfortable after 1 year. If it is at same level, okay, Sheetal is not comfortable. Okay, Pradeep is comfortable, right? So few will be comfortable, but majority will be uncomfortable. कि बस इतना दिन हो गया and everything is happening. Now, now what happens is suddenly you see what is happening is, let's say the timelines. Okay, if I see from here till here, almost here 1 year. Okay, so if it is in the same range from July 2020 till November, almost 1.5 years, it is in the same range, almost same range. When it broke out the range, it went from here. See, this is in this range. Okay, let's say it is highest it went and the lowest it went was here. Sorry. Please excuse me. My throat is not so good, so I might be coughing a bit in the between, so don't get distracted. See, it's in the range of 3060, 1000 points range, right? It was in range for almost 1 year. When the range got broken, it went up by almost okay. Yes, somehow it is not reading. So it went up by almost July, right? November to July. So 1.5 year, 18 months it was consolidating. But when it broke the consolidation, it went to the next range within 6 months, 6 to 8 months. Almost took 1/3 of the time or half the time to reach the next level. Moral of the story. Okay, moral of the story is consolidations take longer time. The price in stock market, now I would request you, don't take my word for it. If you see the consolidations, that means the price movement takes longer. If you see from here, what is this? Just hold on. From this point, August 15 till almost this point, April 17. So 15 till 17, almost 18 to 19 months, consolidation will happen. Then the price will shoot suddenly. The time taken will be lesser. From here, April 17 till August 18, less than half. You're getting my point. How many of you are getting my point? Consolidations usually take longer time. When it starts trending, this is the trend. This is the trend. This trend will take half the time. Now, if we are now, like I told earlier also, technical analysis is predominantly for a short-term trade. It is not for a long-term trade. It is not for long-term holding also, unless until you are mixing it with fundamentals. So you have to mix it very intelligently, the long-term and a short-term. Then you can use technical and fundamental both to ride the waves. But if you are using purely technical also, you have to understand the first principle of consolidation and trend is that prices consolidate for a long time. When it breaks out the consolidation, what is a breakout of the consolidation? When it moves up away from this consolidation on this side, it will travel very fast. Anyone who wants to do short-term trading, he will not like to block his money for a longer duration. He should wait for the breakout to happen to ride the wave for half the time and greater the return, right? Waiting, holding a share for 3 years versus not putting money, only observing every day what is happening. Is it breaking out or not breaking out? Once it breaks out, you buy it and earn money in half the time. That is the art of technical analysis. It's an art. It has to be developed, but this is the starting point. Everyone okay? Everyone got the idea what is a consolidation and what is a trend? This is the consolidation. This is the trend. Again, there will be some consolidation and trend, consolidation, trend. So this is how it will happen in all the shares. Okay. It will go sideways. I'll just do the pictorial presentation. So again, so this is when the price moves sideways, it goes like this, something like this. It will be within a range. Range can be rectangular range. It can be a triangular range. It breaks out and goes up, or it can break down and go down also. So consolidation not necessarily means that it has to go up. So don't create an impression that all the consolidations will go up. Consolidations can go down also. Okay, so just because it is consolidating, चलो खरीद लेते हैं एक दिन तो ऊपर जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा. If there is a consolidation, it is likely to go down also. Now let's see some examples of things going down. Now let's take the great fall of 2020, Bajaj Finance. Okay, so this is the great fall of 2020. Now it looks very small, but when it happened, it seemed to be very big. You see, almost from September till December, March. Okay, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. 6-7 months, the stock was sideways. It broke down. We were thinking it was a surprise. No, markets were consolidating. Consolidations are always a sign of something interesting to happen. Not only in Bajaj Finance. Let's say Reliance. Okay. See, here Reliance also consolidated from here, October till March. Then it went down. So stocks before falling sharply it will consolidate before going up, it will consolidate. So consolidate, everyone should be very clear that today I'm saying consolidation and then it goes up. No, consolidation and then it will go down also. So once it consolidates, we should be excited. We should be ready with the possibility that it might go up and with the acceptance of the possibility that it might go down also. Once you accept that both conditions, then you will be ready to take advantage. How many of you are with me? So far, so good. Things are clear. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now, just Natesh, just give me 1 minute, then I'll come to you for question. Does this happen in daily chart only? No. Let's go down to 5-minute chart also. Let's go down to 5 minutes chart also. See, 5 minute, this is 5 minutes chart. This is an intraday chart. Okay, this is 10:25. Full day consolidation, it happened. Breakout. Oh, where it is going. Consolidation, breakout. So you can apply similar, but intraday it needs more more alertness and more reactive thing to trade. I'm not at all expert in intraday. I don't know how to trade intraday. I'm just telling you the chart is similar. Intraday ho ya daily, it will consolidate and break out or breakdown sort of this thing. So consolidation, breakdown, it will appear same. Daily chart ho ya 5-minute chart ho ya weekly chart ho, all charts will have consolidation, breaking down, downward trend, breaking up, upward trend. Again, I don't know ABCD of intraday, so don't ask me any questions about intraday. But the concept I am teaching you will be you can use, I think, in intraday also. Okay, Natesh ji, you can unmute and ask the question. Please go ahead.
So thank you very much. So my question is, sir, you said consolidation will not only lead to the up move, can be surprise, can surprise the traders with the down move as well. Sir, वो मैंने सुना और पढ़ा भी हूँ. It will happen in 4 phases, right? It's like AADD means advancing accumulation, which is consolidation. Advancing is up move. Then again, next phase is distribution phase, and then the decline phase.
Absolutely.
So in case of Bajaj Finance, the big fall could be the last phase, right? Decline phase. Before that, accumulation, advancing, and distribution phase would have happened.
Yeah. What you have read is absolutely right. That is how it works. Here in before that fall, see here even it went down. What you are saying, this is again Bajaj Finance. This phase is accumulation, up move, distribution, going down. Again accumulation, going up. Maybe this is a distribution phase. Maybe this is a further accumulation phase. So what you have said is correct, but what happens is it may not necessarily be a accumulation, up move, and distribution only. Sometimes it happens accumulation, up move, accumulation, up move.
Okay. So in rare chances, the phases will get bypassed as well.
Sorry.
I mean, in rare chances, these phases of accumulation, advancing, distribution, and decline phase will get bypassed. I mean, sometime accumulation happens instead of up move, it might go down as well.
No. What I'm saying is, see, the phases are correct. What you are trying to say is, I agree with that. See, this is the accumulation phase, sideways movement. This is accumulation, right?
Yes, sir.
Uptrend.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Then there is a distribution happening here. Again, sideways movement only. correct?
Yes.
You are seeing the whiteboard, correct? You are able to see
Yes,
the
sir. Yes, sir.
whiteboard.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, and distribution, again, it will go down.
Yeah.
Distribution happened, go down, again accumulation, and go up. Correct? This is what you are saying. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now, let me say this is accumulation, this is uptrend, this is distribution,
Decline.
decline. Absolutely right. You are absolutely right. And I'm going to give you more indications on what happens and how to catch this when this is happening. Okay. So just in next few slides, we'll discuss that, which is the
Sure, sir.
base of entire technical analysis. But since you asked this question, this is little ahead of the time in our webinar today. But since you asked, let's have the closure for this. My only point is you are absolutely right in this. But sometimes it may also happen that there is an accumulation like this. Okay, then there is an uptrend like this, again it goes sideways. It may not necessarily be a distribution, it may be a second stage of accumulation, and again it might go up.
Okay.
Okay, so
Got you, sir.
if we see a trend and if we see a sideways movement, we should not necessarily conclude that nahi ye distribution hi hai and it will go down. You're getting my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
है ना? So we will wait. We will say, okay, let market decide. If it is breaking down the consolidation, I will exit. If it is going up, I'll accumulate more. So we know, okay, sideways movement hai. If I'm holding the stock, if I have to add or exit, I will decide whenever it breaks out the consolidation, like that. So great. So now, okay, कौन join किया late? Someone time na, I was late and just 5 minutes late, something like that. Okay.
Yes, it was
Sheetal.
Sheetal, I guess.
Sheetal is there. Since she is joining every day, I'll make this exception for explaining her. Whatever I'm explaining today, Sheetal, is the most important thing in stock market. Okay, so all the indicators, all the analysis is based on whatever I'm discussing today. Okay, so if you
I
understand,
got it, Samirji. I just got late for 5 minutes, but I got it what you were explaining.
okay, great. Chalo. So let's go ahead. Now whatever I'm going to tell further, it's only a story. Okay, it's a hypothetical story. It's I have made up the story. So don't think it is a real story. And if you think it is a real story, it is only your imagination. Okay, so whatever I'm telling now is a pure story. Let's assume few things, and then we'll go ahead. Okay, now okay, now for discussions sake, let's assume there is a manipulation in stock market. Again, I am saying it's a story only. So it's up to you whether you believe it or not. So from my side, it is story only. Yeah? Because I am uploading this recording on YouTube. Tomorrow, no one should say, okay, this fellow is saying this is what happens in market. No, I am not saying that. I am saying this is a story of fiction. Okay, now starting, let's assume there is a manipulation in stock market. Okay, for any listed company, this is a fact. Second line is a fact. There is a limited number of shares available in stock market to trade. So there is, it's not like vegetables. The supply will keep coming from the farms. There is a limited number of shares which is available in the market. So it has to be bought. When it goes up, it has to be sold to book the profit, like that. So it's not that the supply of shares is limitless. There are fixed number of shares in the stock market. So the same stock will have to be rotated for a meaningful profit booking. I'm saying profit booking. Now, let's assume that one big player is dealing only in one company. He has millions of rupees and he's dealing only in one company. He is happy dealing in only one company for his livelihood. He is buying and selling only one company's share. Now, since the number of company shares in the company traded are fixed, they are limited, so he has to buy, take the price up, sell it, book the profit, keep the money in his pocket. Sorry, bring down the prices, buy again. So he takes the price up, sell it, brings down, buys again, take it up, brings down. Like that, he is doing it. Okay. Now, since he has lot of money, millions of money, crores of money, rupees in his pocket, fictiously he is having some experts on his panel experts who write in Twitter or go on news channels or go in newspapers, and they write about the companies. They usually write on many companies, and but he can ask them to write in a way he wants them to write. Okay. Now, let's say this is the situation. The price right now of that share of that company is falling. Okay. The price of the share is falling. So it has come to some certain level. At this point, our billionaire, he wants to start buying the shares because he thinks that now the price has come down decently low. Now he should be buying the shares and then take it up. Okay, so now you have to think and tell me the fictitious scenarios, what is possible. Okay, so you got the point. The stock has gone down. It has come to certain point where he thinks ki chalo yaar, let's buy the shares and let's take it up and earn some money. Now he starts buying the money. He starts buying the shares. Now, since he has so much money that if he buys on the same day, the price will shoot the same day. So he does not want to buy the share on the same day. Now, just think, if he has experts on his panel and the price has gone down and he wants to buy, will he want people to know that he is buying? Would you like to declare right now that he is buying, or he wants to buy it quietly, चुपके से, पहले मैं खरीद लूं, है ना? Now, so when he is buying shares, his experts on various platforms, will they be giving good news about the company or bad news about the company or no news about the company? Okay, so Ahan is saying good news, bad news to no news. Okay, bad news, right? Most likely they will be giving bad news because they don't want other people to jump in. They would like to encourage other people to sell off their shares, and they would like people to just dispose of their shares. So people will, what they will do, go on Google, kya chal raha hai bhai, rating, what is the recommendation? No, not good. Company ka bahut acha nahi hai. World war, Gaza, Ukraine war, oil prices, this, that. Company will be impacted. Bad news. Okay. But one Janam Gutti, along with that, for long term, this company is excellent because they also want to cover their own statement. Tomorrow, no one should question them that how you said it was a bad company, this has gone up. So they will say, okay, no, for long term, it is very good, but short term news is very bad. This, that, falana, this, it is bad. So when he is buying the shares, his set of person who recommend on the news channels might give bad news. Okay. Now, second is when he has almost bought 60 to 70% of his money, right? He's not moving the price. Every day he'll buy little. He'll buy, so the price may not move much. He will keep buying. So once he buys 60 to 70% of the shares available in the market, free float market, now his friends will give bad news or sort of neutral to good news. Neutral to good news, right? They'll start giving neutral to good news. Okay, nah, see, things are turning around for this company, and this is that, and that is that, or in spite of this war, this company has benefited, and like that, and all that things might start surfacing in the some opinion polls. Now, final stage, launch stage of the stock. So consolidation, now he wants to take it up. You will find there is sudden, the price will go up suddenly, and then you will suddenly find good news. Very good news, excellent results. The results are fantastic, but already the price has moved. Some 10, 20, 30% would have moved. And then suddenly all the good news will start flowing. This company is fantastic. I already told 6 months ago, this is very good for long term. See, there is a gain of 50% in 1 year, 100% in 1 year, but that 100% out of that 100%, 60% will be in last 2 to 3 months. But people will say, I told 1 year ago, fantastic company for long term. There was not so good thing that time, but now see how it has gone up and all that, and it goes up. Now the price has gone up. It has already reached up. Like we said, it went up move and it has reached up. Now he wants to bring the prices down. Now, first he has to sell the stock. Whatever he has with him, he has to sell the stock. So will he immediately start sending bad news about the company, or he will still maintain good news about the company while he is selling the stock? Will the good news continue, or when he is coming out of the company selling, or he will start giving bad news? Maintain good news, right? Good news will keep coming. Very good. Long term के लिए तो बहुत ही fantastic company does that. Good news will come. Then almost 60 to 70% is sold. Then some bad news will start coming. Company ye wo, like that. And then they will sell off. It will come down. And then there will be a bad news. Okay, this is a temporary bad news, but it is a bad news like that. Something has happened. The stock will fall. Okay, when he wants to buy again this is, so accumulation went up, distribution came down. So this is what we discussed 2 minutes back. We discussed little bit early how it will look in charts. Yeah. Okay, how it will look in charts. Stock went down, not so good news, someone is buying, the prices are moving like this. So whenever you hear a news or a view or an opinion on a news channel or some recommendation or not so good recommendation, you find that there is a bad news about a company, go and see what is happening on the chart. Okay, now once you go and see on the chart, there is a possibility that there was a downfall and there is a price is moving like this, or even the price is in the downfall only. Not so good news also comes when it is going down, so it is moving sideways. Don't jump the gun and start buying. Okay, this is the first indication that the accumulation might be happening. So you keep it in your watch list that okay, accumulation is happening. Bad news hai, bad news hai. Somehow little bit, if the bad news starts between bad and good or neutral, this is the box, not be perfect drawing. It may be moving within it. Keep a eye on it. When you keep eye on it, when you are having a bad news, as a short-term trader, we should not put our money when it is moving sideways. We should deploy our money when it is breaking out of this consolidation and coming out. Then you jump the gun and buy here and ride the wave. Okay, then the news will be continuing good. The price will again start moving sideways. Should I exit? Your choice. Normally, if you're a short-term trader, if it starts moving sideways, just get out. Maybe will not be able to get out here after 1 or 2 cycles. As a small time investor, will be able to get out somewhere here. Again, wait patiently. If it is going for sideways, just wait patiently above and below the consolidation. If it breaks down, anyway, money is not involved. The money is in your pocket. If it goes up, again buy here. And again, you ride the wave. So that's why it will keep happening up, down, up, down. So as a short-term trader, we have to be aware of this price action. Consolidations, up move, consolidation, down move, consolidation, up move. This is what has been happening for last 400 years. This is what will happen for next 400 years. Okay. So whatever we learn, all the indicators in the world, all the trading system in the world, somewhere or the other is revolving around this principle in a short duration or a longer duration. Short duration matlab, now some systems will be like, if it is falling, if it is forming V, then double bottom. आएंगे सीखेंगे अपन. So double bottom. So if it is forming a bottom, second bottom, buy here. It is likely to go there. Working on a consolidation model only and on this principle only. So that's what I wanted to share today. In a stock market, if you take up any stock, anything, you will be having, let's take few more example to make my point. Let's say Bajaj Finance, let's say ICICI Bank. Okay, now here, if you see, the price went down and started moving up, down, up, down. No point in buying right now ki consolidation hai. Wait for the, you can see after this, it went down, it went up, went down, went up. So if you have 2 points, just wait. Here. See, now how many of you are able to clearly see the consolidation? Are you able to see the consolidation? Only Vivek is saying yes. I know he knows the consolidation. Okay. So as a short-term trader, you have to wait for around 15 to 20 days, because consolidation will only appear after 15 to 20 days, 25 days. You have to wait patiently for consolidation to appear. Mark the consolidation and wait here. Buy here. See, within no time, it will go from here to here. Sell it off, keep your money, go home, enjoy. But this needs patience, practice to identify the consolidation. It will keep happening in different stocks. See, here is the consolidation. Now gradually it is weakening. We don't know whether it will go down or up. Anyway, from here to here, we have our money. From whoever has not come out, he will have his money in the stock. But this is again short-term trading. Huh? Don't mix short-term trading with long-term trading. You need to know specific trading tactics to mix the short-term and long-term, fundamental and technical. This is purely technical trading, but this will keep on happening. All the indicators, everything is built around it. So I have repeated. Clear? Everyone clear about the secret of movement of price? I'm not saying what is happening here. Don't, whatever you are assuming that it is manipulated. I never said it is manipulated. We don't know whether it is manipulated or not, but looks like lots of consolidation happens many times. The uptrend will be half the time of the consolidation. So it is always better to watch out for consolidations. Once you see the consolidations, that is the time of opportunity. कांटा फेंको और शांति से बैठो. जिस दिन ब्रेकआउट होगा उस दिन you will get. Okay, so this is the game of patience. There are few screeners. I typically find out manually only. So Sudhir is saying any sign it will go up or down? No, there are signs. We will go through it as it comes. I'll be sharing with you triangles, Fibonacci and other things, and RSI, MACD, all that. Today I wanted to share the secret of the price movement. What is happening, right? Why we should not jump the gun? Why we should have patience? Because consolidation takes longer time. Up move takes a shorter time. So we should be having patience. We should be on the lookout, but we should put our money when it is likely to move up and not before that. Everyone clear? Yes, no? Okay, great. I hope everyone learned something interesting today. Something now when they will look at the chart, they will be able to see what is happening in the market, what is the phase. If you see any news, just go and look at the chart कि क्या हो क्या रहा है, चल क्या रहा है. मतलब हमको डाबर जन्म घुट्टी तो नहीं पिला रहे हैं कहीं. I should not say डाबर जन्म घुट्टी, they'll come behind me. कोई जन्म घुट्टी तो नहीं पिला रहे हैं लॉन्ग टर्म की this that some घुट्टी they are giving us that okay, this is very good for health, you take this stock. No, we are not here to buy dreams. Don't show us dreams, show us the reality. Reality will be shown by the charts. When you go and see in the charts what is exactly happening, is it really a long term company, is it that bad or is it that good? If it is in consolidation, take the news, see the consolidation, wait for the breakout. See the news, wait for the consolidation, wait for the breakout downwards. Fine, that is how we'll go. Okay, so that's with that we come to the end of the session today. I hope everyone learned a lot of things, interesting things. You will have some perspective about the stock whenever you listen to news or anything. So any questions? We'll take 2-3 questions and then call it a day.
Sameerji, this is Sheetal here.
Yeah.
The class was really good, interesting, the consolidation part. But my question is not regarding today's class. I just want to ask, like when we start, like as a beginner, when we start learning how to do trading, is there any virtual cash, like in terms of points or something with which we can do and learn trading, or we directly have to play with cash?
Okay. Now, see, there is something called paper trading. Okay.
Okay.
So what is paper trading is, in a paper trading, you write on a paper that, okay, I would have bought at this point, I would have sold at this point, and I would have gained this much money. Okay, this is what you are asking for. Is there any way I can trade without putting my money? So you see the pattern, and then you decide, okay, this is the point where I would have purchased, and this is the point where I would have sold. Then you write on a paper that, okay, entry here, exit here, this is the profit, this is the loss. This is
just an imaginary. Okay.
No, this was a real thing which we started when we were when I was trading in 2005, 2006, till I think all this softwares, trading charts and all came in 2010, 11, 12. Okay, when I started 2004 and 5, this was the way we used to do dry runs. Like when I was learning, this is how Mr. Musa was there, from whom I was learning in 2005 and 6. That is how we used to do. Write on the paper कि इधर enter किया, इधर exit किया, and this is the trading. Okay. Now since we are in IT age, I think TradingView also gives you a paper trading option. So here is the, I think in this, you have option of paper trading. In TradingView, strategy testers, I think trading panel. This is the trading panel. Yeah. Okay, so you can see here is a paper trading. So you can click on it, what it is asking. Paper trading also lets you practice. So this is called paper trading. So don't get, why I explained you paper is today also it is called paper trading, but now it is not done on paper, it is done on the platforms.
Okay.
You can see here on the screen, right? Paper trading.
Yeah.
So why they are calling it paper trading? Because once, मतलब हमारे जमाने में हम ऐसा करते थे, वो टाइप से फीलिंग आ रही है मतलब. So that's why it is called paper trading, where we actually used to write on paper and do it. Now it is called paper trading on the tools. There are many tools. I think, I don't know if Zerodha and all provides paper trading. You can check with Zerodha. All trading platforms, I think they have a provision for paper trading also.
Will you be guiding us a bit on this?
Yeah, we'll go ahead. I'll be showing you how to deal, how to trade. I'll have to search on a paper trading. So if you have opened account, have you opened account anywhere?
No.
Okay, we'll see. Okay, so let's learn few things, and anyone can tell us whether paper trading is possible in Zerodha and all. Any experience anyone is having? Zerodha fires. Okay, I'll find out and let you know. Okay, so
Thank you, Samiji.
So so you search for, what you can do is, आपके पास भी time हो तो just search on tools available for paper trading. Okay. Yeah.
No, investing.com.
Sorry.
Investing.com.
Okay.
Investing.com is website where we can have the paper trading.
Paper trading. Okay. So
and there are many even other, suppose not only one demat, you can try any type of 3-4 demat accounts also. We can, means whatever the portfolio, we can have different portfolios as a paper trade.
Okay.
Like a small cap, mid cap, or large cap, or IT, like that.
Okay, so great. Thanks a lot, Gopalaji, as always. Maybe since Gopalaji is a long time participant, Gopalaji, you have done paper trading on investing.com.
Yes, I am doing.
Will you help us with paper trading sometime? Because we have many people here on investing.com.
If you give me the access, I will share it just as a glance.
No, keep one 30 minutes program, log in and just show some trade, something like that.
That would be really beneficial.
Okay.
Take 7 days, आराम से सोचिए.
नहीं सर, वो तो मैं रेगुलर यूज करता हूँ. Actually, what I am using is, instead of using that, so what will happen? There is one app, investing app also there. There is no need to log in every time. Whereas Zerodha and other demat, actual demat accounts, I need to enter the OTP.
My request would be, take your time, take 5, 6, 7 days. Think from a beginner's perspective, right? When someone is starting, or if you have time, you conduct, or if you have time, you tell me, I'll conduct. Either way, because it has been long time, I'm not very good with the technologies also.
Actually, Samiji, the way you teach us, like in a very layman, like, जैसे हम बच्चे हैं, lower KG के बच्चे हैं इस चीज में. So, it gets very easy to even the technical terms or anything, whatever we get, it's so simple.
No, believe me, Gopalaji also explains very well.
I'm sure Gopalaji, he'll really help us out. And it will be really grateful if he'll help us.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. So this is the requirement. We'll keep one session on this. Yeah, I'll discuss with Gopalaji separately, and we'll come up with something.
Thank you.
Okay, right. Okay, great. So I hope, so Mahavir is also saying good luck to Gopalaji. Don't worry, we are all together here. So Okay, so that's the end of the session today. Thanks a lot for joining. And see you tomorrow with a new topic and something new, if my throat permits. So I don't know, because I'm like, throat is really bad. That's why we didn't do yesterday. If throat is good, we'll do tomorrow, otherwise on Monday. I'll post in the morning, depending on my condition of my throat tomorrow. So thank you. Thanks a lot. See you tomorrow.